classmates mo?
Hi everyone!
Ayan, nandito sila at doon. Matangkad si candidate number 12. Kinakabahan.
Basketball player ka?
Hindi po.
Tangkad mo. Ayan. Nalulunod tuloy ako. Ayan. Alright, so once again, you are from Barangay?
Lawak po.
Ayan, pumalakpak ang mga taga-Barangay Lawak!
Ayan, marami-rami pa sila.
Marami-rami ba?
Kapit-bahay ko ang Lawak, partner.
Malapit lang.
Oo.
Madadaanan ngayon?
Hindi.
Ay, hindi.
Kami muna.
Alright. Are you ready?
Yes po.
Antayin natin yung go signal. Okay na po sila, Miss Sam? Okay, okay na.
I will read the question twice and please listen carefully. This is your question. How will you handle the responsibilities of the crown on top of your head or top of your studies or job if you win the title? I repeat, if you will handle the responsibilities of the crown on top of your studies or job if you win the title.
Thank you for that question. First of all, good evening. I believe that winning this pageant is an honor and have a great responsibility. But I believe that character is important than the crown, because I believe that being a beauty queen don't have the crown, but the crown is in its heart, not on its head. And being a beauty queen does its responsibilities and job to be a role model to each and every one of us. And that would be all. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, Binibining 12, Miss Lawa. Thank you very much, Binibining 12.
Thank you, Binibini 12. That is Natasha May Rivera.
And this time, let's call in Binibining 4.
And once again, partner, would like to thank once again our panel of Board of Judges. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. And we have now here our Binibini 4.
Yes, Binibining 4, how are you?
I'm good.
Ayan, batiin mo yung mga supporters mo.
Hi po sa mga family and friends na nanonood.
Ayan, palakpakan natin, Binibining 4. Taga saan ulit si Binibining 4?
Barangay di po.
Saan yun?
Diyan lang po sa...
Malapit lang.
Apo.
Malalakad lang.
Apo.
Pwede makimerienda mamaya. Joke lang po.
Pwede po.
Para maalis yung nervyos. Yes, are you ready? Definitely.
Yes.
And I will read twice your question. And this is it. How will you handle the responsibilities of the crown on top of your studies or job if you win the title? I repeat. How will you handle the responsibility of the crown on the top of your studies or job if you win the title?
Good evening again, Tayuganyans. I believe that I can handle the responsibilities or duties if I were crowned to be a Binibining Tayug by simply time management. I believe that if you want something, you will make an effort to achieve it. That's all. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, Binibining 4.
Binibini 4. From Poblacion D, Mariluz Tony Paroni.
Yes, partner. And let's move on to Binibining 16. Once again, iniimbitahan po namin kayo mamayang gabi po. Same time, same place. Dito po. Search for Bikini Open and Miss Gay. Ayan. Dito po. Sa Public Auditorium ng ating mahal na Tayug.
Hi, Binibini 16. Kumusta ka?
I'm still fine po.
Ayan. Pwede mo bang batiin ng yung mga supporters?
Good evening, everyone.
Ang dami pa nila.
Ang sweet ni 16. Ang sweet ni 16.
Sweet 16 kasi.
Binibining 16. Ayan, nag-aaral ka pa Binibining 16?
Ako.
Alright. Are you ready?
I am ready.
Yes. I will read to you twice. Listen carefully. How will you handle the responsibility of the crown on top of your studies or job if you win the title? I repeat. How will you handle the responsibilities of the crown on the top of your studies or job if you win the title?
I think that if I will win the crown, I will take all the responsibilities by having time management. I am an honor student, and I think that in our activities in school, it is also I have a household course, and I think I can manage it. Just like here, if I will win the crown, I think and I can do the responsibilities to do service to our town, the municipality of Tayug. That would be all. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Binibining 16.
Carl Denise Santiago, Barangay Pangasinan.
Saan yung partner? Pangaliban?
Papuntang Sangkintit.
Oh, yeah. Alright, okay. And let's have Binibining 9.
Hello, Binibining 9. Kumusta, Binibining 9?
I'm fine, thank you.
Kumusta ka daw? Sabi ng ating mga supporters mo.
I am very well.
Batiin mo naman sila.
Good evening to each and everyone. I am your Binibining Choco. Thank you.
Yeah, andun daw yung sunflower maze. Totoo ba yun?
Ano din po?
Yung sunflower maze.
Ay, yes po. Doon po located yung... I'm so sorry.
Maingay ba dun sa sa room? Maingay?
Ano po, kasi yung tenga ko po galing pa po sa parang
Okay. Yeah.
so...
Naiwan daw yung music.
Sorry.
Kaya intindihin natin si Binibining 9. Alright, tanong ko ulit. Dun ba yung yung sunflower maze?
Yes po, ang Sunflower Maze Eco Park po ay located po sa Choco, Tayug Pangasinan.
Right.
Visit nyo po, maganda po.
Kasing ganda mo.
Yes, I
Yes,
agree
palapakan natin si Binibining 9. Right. Ready ka na?
po. Yes po.
Okay, babasahin ko na dalawang beses. Makinig ka mabuti. How will you handle the responsibilities of the crown on top of your studies or job if you win the title? How will you handle the responsibilities of the crown on top of your studies or job if you win the title?
First of all, I want to greet you good evening. I will handle the responsibilities as the crown Miss Tayug 2019. There's this thing called time management, which is very essential for us if we are students and we are working. I believe that time management will help us to be more efficient and effective. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Binibining 9.
Ang sweet niya magsalita.
Yes,
Si Binibining
partner.
9.
Sweet daw ng mga taga...
Silid Choco.
Oo. Taga doon ka, partner?
Hindi.
Malapit doon.
Malapit.
Malapit doon.
Kaya medyo sweet din ako.
Oo. Sweet. Sa birthday mo. Mapansit daw si Ma'am Tere mamaya.
Oo. Pero hindi na bukas bukas na lang.
Sige, punta kami dito sa Bikini Open. Ayan. Kaya tawagin natin si Binibining 8.
Hello, Binibining 8. Kumusta?
Okay lang.
Batiin mo naman ang yung mga supporters, mga taga-Carriedo.
Hello po.
Ba't pareho sila ng 9 tsaka 8? Pareho yung reaction nila. Malakas ba yun? Malakas sa room? Hindi niya narinig. O sige, 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay na?
Okay na.
Okay. Ayan, batiin mo naman yung mga supporters mo. Wala talaga. Ninervous ka? O, alisin natin yung nervous mo. Gusto mo mag-jumping jack tayo? Yeah. Hindi kaya. Ayan, batiin mo yung mga kabarangay mo. Asan ang mga taga-Carriedo? Sumigaw ang mga taga-Carriedo! Ayan, okay ka na?
Opo.
Okay. Handa ka na?
Opo.
Okay. Babasahin ko 2 beses. Makinig ka mabuti. How will you handle the responsibilities of the crown on the top of your studies or job if you win the title? How will you handle the responsibilities of the crown on the top of your studies or job if you win the title?
Kung ako man po ang nanalo bilang Binibining Tayug 2019, gagawin ko po lahat ng makakaya ko para pagsabayin ang aking pag-aaral at pagiging isang binibining tayug. At ipopromote ko ang aking advokasya para maging impluwensya at maging boses para sa pagbabago. Yun lamang po. Maraming salamat.
Thank you very much, Binibini A. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Palapakan po natin ating 5 finalists. And nalampasan po nila ang nerve-wracking question, the final nerve-wracking question and answer po.
Exactly.